What's going on? Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to create Shopify store for one product from beginning. Even if you have never built an online store before, after watching this video you will be able to build a professional store by yourself. Now the first thing we're gonna do is to choose a theme for our store. The theme will determine the general design of our store. So let's go to the left side and click Online Store and click Themes. Dawn is a nice and customizable theme, but for this tutorial we will choose another one. So let's scroll down and find Sans by Shopify. Click Add. The theme is installing. Now the theme is installed, so we click Publish. Click Publish. And Sans is our current theme. Now, before starting to customize our theme, we have to add a product. So we go at left panel, click Products, and click Add Your Products. These are the fields we have to fill to create a product for our store. Now I have found the product from Amazon and I will start completing these fields. Now you can see that I have added my first product. I'll go to Products and you can see that the product is added. Now go to Online Store and Themes and click Customize. And that button headed us to Shopify editor where we customize our theme. Here you can select the pages you want to edit. So home page, product page, collections, other pages, blogs, etc. We will stay at the home page for the moment. And here at the top right we can change the view from desktop to mobile. Now let's change back to desktop view and start to customize our home page. The first thing we have to do is to be sure that we have the content needed for our website, like images, videos, text, etc. Now let's go and edit this section here. To edit an image here, just click here, click Select Image, and select an image you uploaded to Shopify store. Click Done. And you can see that the image is uploaded. Now I want to change this text here to my product name. To edit text, just click on it, and here you can edit the text. I will paste my product name here, and also change the heading size to small. Now I will edit this button here. I will edit the text of button, so I will type buy now. And I want this button to be linked to our product page. So I click All Products, click Products, and select the product. Now it looks fine for me in the desktop view, but I want to see how it looked like in mobile view. So I click this icon here and click Mobile. Also in mobile view, it looks very good for me. Now let's continue with the other sections. Go to desktop view again, and I want to remove this section of featured products because I just have one product in my store. So I will click on the section and click here remove section. Now I want to add some sections to describe my benefits of product. So I click here in the left panel, add section, find image with text. And let's go and customize this section. I want to add an image here, so I click on image, click select image, and I want this image to be uploaded. So I select it and click done. Now I will edit the text here, and I will edit this button here. I will type buy now and link the button to the product page. I also want to make this image smaller, so I click on it, choose desktop image width and select small. Now this looks fine for me. Now I will add two more sections of this type, so I click add section. Okay, so we are fine with these sections. Now let's see at the other sections. Okay, this is the next section, email sign up. I want to have it on my home page as it's very important for my store. Just I want to edit some text. So I will edit this to subscribe for new offers. Now click save. I will leave the footer as it is. Now I want to add a logo for my store. So I go here at the left side, click theme settings, and add the logo. I will select an image, select my logo and click done. I want to make it bigger, so I set the desktop logo width to 150 pixels. Now it looks good. Click save to save the updates, and this is how our home page looks like. Also, I want to change the colors of my theme. So under the logo, I click colors. I want to change this accent 1 color that is used for solid button background. So I click on it and select my blue theme color. Now you can see that the buttons are blue. Also, I want to change this gradient color of these sections. So I go here at secondary colors and click background to gradient. I want just two selectors, so I click this and click the remove color stop. Now the first one I want it in the blue color, and the second one I want it in the white color. So I drag the slider up to 85% to create a nice background color. Okay, this is fine for me. Now close this and save it. Also, I want to change something in the checkout page. So I click here and select checkout. And I want to change the color of this button. So I scroll down here, select checkout, and change this color accents. So I change it to blue, also this one for buttons, and this looks fine. Click save to save the updates. Now I think that we are pretty much done with the design of our shopping store, so we have to check some backend settings of the store. So click here exit, go to settings, and these are the backend settings of our store. Now these are our store details. You can see your store name, your email, your billing information and other informations. But what we have to check out is the shipping and delivery. So here you can manage your shipping and deliveries. These are the general shipping rates. To edit them, click manage. And you can see that you have an international and domestic shipping zones. Let's delete the zones and create a new zone. So click create zone, and let's target the United States. So I will name this zone as USA and search country as United States. Select and click done. Now our shipping zone is set, but we have to add rates. So we click add rate. Let's name this rate standard and select the price to be 0, so free shipping for US. Click done, and you can see that the price is free. Now let's go to taxes and duties, and here you can set the taxes for regions. Okay. Also, a thing that is a must to be checked is the payments. Here you can add the payment methods of your store. Also, don't forget to select your domain after you buy it. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for joining me in this video. It has been an absolute blast and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting video like this one. So till the next time, see ya.